Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Balang Presbyterian Phudmuri ka bahab khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod sabni kan pedang ya ke Jingrakhe dap Shispa Snem ka Presbyterian Church of India ka banlong ha ka arpu pratrik ya yong arhajar arpu hendriu bat kan kut ha ka lai tarik jimmang arhajar arpu hendriu habe kran bat upastor BR Kharnayor ubdeu Senior Administrative Secretary PCI bat Chairman ka Balang Presbyterian Phudmuri ule tho ba ka Jingrakhe ka jingdap Shispa Snem kan dong ha ka ar tarik jimmang Nadu ka Porsche posting bin step Hamadan he Phudmuri kat ba ka jinga sing pat ba kanong ha ka lai tarik jimang ha JN Stadium Polo. Uli tho ba ki don palat lai spa prapusau teli ki yeng Kristan ki ban pdiang yiki ar hajar san spa ngut ki delegate na ki sinot ba pher kan thop yiki dukot kwaya. Ha ka jinga sing pat ba ha ka singi ublay ka Porsche posting bin step ki ban ai kwaya ki long Biateram Sinot, CHT Sinot, KAPC Sinot, Manipur Sinot. Hagajia Seng por Shibjisteng no Paisngi, Kiban Ai Kwaya Kilong KJP Sinot Mitngi, Mizoram Sinot, KJP Sinot Sabngi, Bat Balang Phudmuri.
At the very outset, I take the pleasure on behalf of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of India and the host church, the Phudmuri Presbyterian Church, to welcome you all. Hakani kapor ngi awan kumne na kadang General Assembly jong Balang Presbyterian dari India bat kumjo na Balang Presbyterian Phudmuri kabade ka host church jong kini ka program ka bakerpang ka 46 biennial General Assembly bat ka centenary jubilee celebration arjar arfun Rio kabanlong na do ka arpo khandai tarik u April hado lai tarik ume arjar arfun Rio. So it gives me immense joy to express words of gratitude to all the esteemed members of the Press Club and also the Presbyterian Church of India, the officials, the committee members, the invitees, well-wishers, and the delegates of the 46th Biennial General Assembly and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026 who have made arrangements to attend this auspicious event to be held at our church, the Phudmuri Presbyterian Church, Long, on the set date, 29 April to 3rd May 2026. And we believe that this week-long event is significant in itself as it marks only not the biennial session of the General Assembly, but also commemorates the 100th year of its inception. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well, and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program. And we pray for the presence of God and His abundant blessings to nourish our spiritual thirst as we come together in active participation during the biennial and the centenary jubilee celebrations 2026. Ka program kan stang nado ka arpo pratrik hakaba kidokot jong ka executive committee jong ka Presbyterian Church of India kin one ting stang igajing seng akapuar menmiet nyobeje ya kabanyalam daga Balang ka host church te hakat arpo kandai April kindon ki committee ki prepare but hakajo kapuar arpo kandai tarik janmiet ki delegates na ki khatway tili ki synod but kaway ka provisional synod ngin one but ni community na ki arajar sans pa ngut ki delegates na ki khatar tli ki sinot kentup ke provisional sinot kini wan man ya donungkat ha kini ke jingle men jongi ha kini ke final meeting ke jongi bat ni khmidenti ha ka laiterik ke sni try ke sunday ke jinge sen maro ha ka por si siteng bat si bi siteng ngin long hantai ha GN complex Haka juga por ngin bo ki giant screen na kabenta kito ki bamnyam show ka stadium te ngin penonton ro ya ka second ground pada ka juga por ka parking lot pad ngin scam bad ngi kimelenti bagi reungai na ki bopon tili kisot kin wan se kini jingaseng ka bahe ka basa jingkan mau but we are expecting like lots of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the Jubilee, centenary Jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us, especially on the 3rd May, Sunday, that in a few days' time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. I mean, we will try to elaborate more regarding the way where to reach. We have prepared in such a way. We are working together along with the traffic department, government Meghalaya, and we are working neck and neck and closely with the government regarding this occasion. Kalau ngajin kerpat ba kito ki ba penkre ela de ban wan kamtam kesni try pin snob ha ban page ngin sa ai jing tip ling ba ka press how through social media kumno bangira man poi siya kani kijing sen hamadan pulo nagi lenti ki ba fair kita ki ba wan na riboy ki ba wan na West Coast Hills ki ba na Giant Hills bat ki ba na Keleng kumno bangira man poi sa madan pulo bat kumjo ro hakini kijing sen ki ba ngin senang na do kami arfu pratrik haka Balang Presbyterian Phudmuri ka badai ka host church jong kini event ni kwaro pan pendapat ba ka arterik sini sejan ke port siteng kandon ki inaugural service ki Jingrakhe jong ni ki dap sispa Snem jong Balang Presbyterian hari India kani kan long hamadan hai stadium te hakato kasni kandon ka jing pelat ba ka souvenir kandon ka hosting of the flag but kendon kijing ai ki bakarpang yi kito ki belano senyang ya Balang Presbyterian hari India ti kijing seng made ru kanlong hamadan hai stadium nadu kasni sajan ni ko manitho nadu si sajan kamadan hai stadium kande kejaka hakabangin belong yi ki seng made bat kijing rakhe ya kaniga centenary Jubilee celebration of Balang. So all the centenary Jubilee celebration will commence at 10:30 a.m. on the 2nd of May. That will be Saturday, and so even the night service that day also will be at the Madanhead Stadium, and also the Sunday night service will be at Madanhead Stadium. So we are expecting round about 130 special delegates to join along with the delegates of the biennial, and also we are expecting not less than 250 choir members from all the synods, standing choirs. They'll be presenting their numbers during the biennial and also during the centenary celebration. So thank you all, and if you have any Our skill play kan long hadian complex. Yeah, we made a request to the government and in the initiative of the Chief Minister and the government as a whole, we are able to have that opportunity to have services in the GN complex in the stadium. Ngidon khakwe tali ki sinot, kawai ka provisional sinot. Ngidon ka Mizoram sinot, ngidon ka Kachar Hill Tribe sinot, ka Manipur sinot, nangta ngidon ka Vietnam sinot, ngidon ka Ribohoi Presbyterian Church sinot, ngidon ka KGP sinot Mingi, KGP sinot Sakni, nangta ngidon ka Tripura sinot, ngidon ka Zhou Presbyterian Church sinot, ngidon ka Karbi Anglong Presbyterian Church sinot, but ngidon ru ka Tangpai Provisional Church sinot. Sinot paring. Sinot paring ru. Kamu khakwe tili sinot, kawai ka provisional sinot. Ya kabangi humility baik kani ka provisional sinot ru kanyo ya ka status as full-fledged sinot hakani ka jingalang do manta.
Dapat itu balik ke Phudmuri ke Pilihan ini.
Ka Phudmuri kung host church kadi ka way ni ki Balang jong ka Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Sakni. Tika Presbyterian Church of India kala jet ya ka KGP Synod Sakni Banlong ka host synod. Tika Synod Sakni katerwai kini ka jingeseng sa Phudmuri Presbyterian Church ba kandi ka host church on behalf of the synod for this event.